Hello, hello. The store behind me have opened over 30 years. Do you know what made the store different from other stores? The answer is design. Go and have a look. You can see this wall. The products is the color is red, right? Because the red color in Chinese is the symbol of happiness and some something good. And you can see this product. It's a perfume bottle, and you can look this product is unique. It's made from artist, a wonderful design, and this product only one pieces in the world. And this one is the color of blue. You can see this board is very small, but it's very heavy. You can put in your hand. It's really cute, right? And look, this one is looks like candy bags, right? And this one is really, really beautiful. I can't describe this styles in words. Um, this one looks like swans, right? And the swan is a symbol of love. It's really romantic. And guess this is what? It's elephant. And the boss tell me that different people see the same product, they have different feelings. For me, I think this one looks like a person with with this action, but the boss tell me it's an elephant. This one, the boss tell me, it's like hill and river. It's a great directions. I think it's not only a home decoration, but also art. This one is a perfume bottle, but in blue and red color. This color is over, and we can see the next color, the gray color series. And the special one I will introduce is that mice. It's really small, and you can put in your hand. And this one, you can put this in it. You can put something in this bottle. It's a bottle. And both sides they made different several styles, but at last they just leave these styles in here. You can look this one. It's two hands, and this hand is for husband, and this hand is for wife and wife. They also have rings in their hands. It's also the symbol of love. It's romantic. But it's right that in the world there are only 20 pieces in this world. Next one is the yellow series. You can see this one, and the real is like monkey, but you can see it's like a fish. Different people see the same things, they have different feelings. This product is what I want to recommend most. It's like a, it's really like a real ox. It is made by a artist. You can compare these two products. They are the same color but different material. You can see the difference between them. This one is better than that one. You can see this. In Chinese word, it called 白菜. It's a symbol of wealth and money. You put this in your home, and uh, it means that you will have more money and wealth in the future. At first, they have seven colors, but they leave these two colors in this. And this one, you can look. This one can be put like this, and can be look like this, and you can see that compare these two. It's an ancient and modern crush. You can see this. It's like a bike, right? And and these two different color, different model. We can see we can see in this very beautiful. You can see this one is really heavy. It's a dog. You can see some gold, parts of gold in it. Maybe you will think this product is really expensive, right? But the price is only 300 RMB, just $50 you can buy. It's another product. Looks like the swan. Okay, we can see the next product. You can see it's like a rabbit, and this one is really cheap. You can just cost $7 to buy this one. Okay, I okay, today is over.